Hey, today I'm going to show you how to make a squash casserole. To make this recipe, you will need 2 cups of squash, cooked and drained, 1 medium onion, 1 can Rotel tomatoes, 1½ cups of grated cheese, 4 eggs, 2 tablespoons of butter, and 1 cup cornbread crumbled. You will also need a 9 by 13 inch pan, cooking spray, a large pot, and a wooden spoon. The first thing you need to do is peel your onion. Once you've done that, you want to chop your onion. Try to make sure it's chopped up finely. Once you've finished that, you want to put your pot on the stove and add in your 2 tablespoons of butter. Turn the stove to medium heat. Let the butter melt just a little before adding in your onions. Stir in your onions. You want to saute them. After your onions are sauteed, add in your Rotel tomatoes, squash, and then your 4 eggs. Stir well and let the mixture cook until it is similar to an egg-like consistency. Now you want to add in your grated cheese and 3/4 cups of your crumbs. Once you have your mixture stirred well, you want to turn off the stove and prepare your pan. Pour in your mixture. Make sure the mixture of the casserole is spread evenly, and then you want to add in the rest of your crumbs to the top of the casserole. Set your oven to 350 and place the casserole into the oven. Cook the casserole for 20 minutes or until the crumbs on top are a golden brown. Remove it from the oven, and you're done. That is how you make a squash casserole.